Children, today we are going to learn something about verb and mainly the helping verb. Okay, let me introduce first. Okay, can you tell me what are verbs? Who is going to tell me? What are verbs? Yes? Action word. Okay. And doing words. Okay. Action words and doing words. Okay. Correct. So these are the verbs, action words. Whenever we do something, that is called action word or verb. Okay. So whenever we use this verb in a sentence, like here, I'm going to write Ram is eating. Okay. Okay, eating is the verb. Okay. What is noun here? Okay, Ram is noun. Correct. This is noun, this is verb. Now, what is this? Okay, correct. This is helping verb. See, this helping verb is very, very important. Why? Let me show you. Change this word. Look carefully, huh? Is, I remove this is and I wrote here was. Okay? Ram was eating. Now the sense is changed, right? उसने पहले खा लिया, करेक्ट. अब मतलब ये हो गया कि राम हैज ईटन ऑलरेडी, पास्ट में उसने खा रखा है ना. तो दिस वाज, इज, these all are helping verbs and they are very, very important because they tell us the condition, the position, the situation of the main verb in a sentence. ठीक है, ये चाहे तो सब कुछ बदल देते हैं. ठीक है, was से वर हो गया तो यानी प्लूरल में आ गया. ओके, so helping verbs, how many helping verbs are there? How many helping verbs are there? Let me tell you. There are 23. Yes, correct. And what are those? Tell me the names. Is, and three more. Had. Today we are going to talk about these three: has, have, and had. Okay? Now we'll talk about has, have, and had. All right? So see, had. Let me tell you first about the had. This one, had. This is already, always used for the past tense, for the past. If we did something in past, पहले कभी हुआ है, then we'll use had. उसमें कोई नियम नहीं है, no rules that singular or plural, nothing. Okay? For both the things, चाहे singular हो या plural हो, we have to use had. So this is very simple and very clear. अगर had है मतलब past है और उसमें singular, plural, anything, आपको had ही use करना है. ओके, तो इसके बारे में हम अभी ज्यादा फोकस नहीं करेंगे. वी कैन डू इट लेटर ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इजी एंड सिंपल थिंग. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन हैज एंड हैव. ठीक है, नाउ हैज एंड हैव. हैज वी यूज फॉर सिंगुलर व्हाट? प्रोनाउन. Okay. Acha, what are pronouns? Who will tell me what is pronoun? Correct. The word which is used in place of noun. Noun के जगह पर जो word use हो जाते हैं, they are called pronoun. Right. So singular pronoun is there, then you will use has, and if it is plural, अगर plural है तो यहाँ पर pronoun के लिए क्या use करेंगे? हैव यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, सपोज he is a singular pronoun. He has a car. Okay, and if it is written here, they have a car. तो they क्या है? Plural pronoun and he is singular. But there is one thing which is very important. प्लीज पे अटेंशन हियर एवरीबॉडी, लुक हियर। एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है यहाँ पर जो आपको देखनी पड़ेगी और थोड़ा सा याद भी रखना पड़ेगा आपको। आपको ये देखना है कि आई एंड यू, अब मुझे बताओ दे आर सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन और प्लूरल प्रोनाउन? ये तो सिंगल है, आई मीन्स मैं, आई एम सिंगल। देखो मैं बताती हूँ, से आई एंड यू, ये जो दो वर्ड है ना, दे आर एक्चुअली वेरी नॉटी, यू नो, नॉटी रूल्स दे आर, बिकॉज दे लुक लाइक दे आर सिंगुलर। आई मतलब मैं अकेले, यू मतलब तुम सिंगल, बट दे आर ट्रीटेड एज प्लूरल। ये है तो सिंगल, लेकिन ये इतने नॉटी हैं कि ये हमेशा कहते हैं कि हम लोग प्लूरल वाला रूल ही फॉलो करेंगे। सो चिल्ड्रन, यू ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जब भी आई या यू आ रहा है, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स विच यू आर फॉलोइंग फॉर द प्लूरल्स। जो प्लूरल के जो नियम कानून हैं ग्रामर के, वो ही आपको आई एंड यू के साथ लगाने पड़ेंगे। तो दीज टू आर वेरी नॉटी किड्स, जो बात नहीं मानते हैं, जो कहते हैं कि हम सिंगल हैं बट वी विल फॉलो द रूल्स ऑफ प्लूरल। इसको आप अपना हमेशा दिमाग में रखिए। ओके, नाउ वी विल डू द एक्टिविटी हियर। ओके, सो Vasudha, can you please help me? See, Vasudha will do. You all have to participate in this activity. Vasudha, what you have to do, beta, come here. What you have to do? You have to say, I have, and then put one number here, and they will tell you like what number, what object is there. Okay, let me give you a stick. Take this. Okay, you all have to tell what number she is saying and what is the count of object that you have to repeat with her, and stay loudly, huh? Chalo.
I have one. I have one gold medal.
Correct, correct, correct.
I have two. I have two notebooks. I have four. I have four sheets. I have three. I have three smileys. I have six. I have six cups. I have five. I have five pencils. I have seven. I have seven glasses. I have three. I have three smileys.
All the numbers are covered or not?
Covered.
Four stick you all have said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do it again. Now this time we'll say she has. Okay, marker is not there. The she और she क्या है? Has हो जाएगा. She has one. Like this you have to say. Okay, चलो बोलो.
She has one. She has one gold medal. She has two. She has two notebooks. She has four. She has four sticks. She has three. She has three smileys. She has seven. She has seven glasses. She has five. She has five pencils. She has three. She has three smileys. She has six. She has six glasses.
Okay, all the thank you. Sit down. So now you got it. Like I will be followed with have, and she is a singular thing. It will be followed with has. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.